We are going to talk about a new letter today, and these are the tools that you need to make sure that you have so you can go work along right along with me at home, okay? You need an eraser and a dry erase marker, your whiteboard, and your finger tracing cards, the uppercase and the lowercase for the letter X, okay? If you need to pause the video and go get those things and come back, that's fine. All right, so we are going to talk about a brand new letter today. We are going to talk about the letter X. All right, before we start this letter though, let's read our ABC chart. So I need you to help me at home. I'm gonna point and you help me read it. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, goat. H, house. I, igloo. J, jump rope. K, kite. L, leaf. M, magnet. N, nest. O, ostrich. P, pumpkin. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, vest. W, watch. X, Xray. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our brand new letter for today. We are going to learn the letter X. Can you read the card with me? X, Xray. Let's do it one more time. X, Xray. Do you see how there's an X-ray on the card for X? That's because the letter X makes the sound X. Can you make that sound? X. It sounds kind of like a K and an S together. X. And you hear that in X-ray. Lots of words have an X in them, but they don't usually start with an X. It's just not a letter we use a lot at the beginning of a word. Sometimes you'll hear the X at the end of a word, maybe like in the word fox or box. Okay, boys and girls, so what letter is this? X. We're going to learn to write the letter X. So now you need your finger tracing cards. Go ahead and get your uppercase X first. Okay, remember when we write, we always go from top to bottom, left to right. So do you know where we're going to begin on our X? Yeah, right here. You're going to put your finger where you begin, and when you write the X, you have to slant because these are called slant lines. They don't go straight down or straight up. They slant. So you slant down, and then you come back up to this one, and you slant across. Okay? Slant down and slant across. You have to cross it. It's an X. All right, do that with me, and this time, say the letter X. Good, do it again. X. Very good. Okay, move your card aside. Now I want you to trace it on your paper with your finger. Ready? X. Awesome. Now do it on your other hand. X. Great job. Now do it in the air. Ready? Write it. X. Okay, we are ready to write this on our board now. So get your marker and open your dry erase marker. We are going to write the uppercase X 4 times, and each time you write it, make sure you say the letter name, which is X. All right, remember, you're going to slant down, and then you're going to go back to the top, and you're going to slant across. You have to cross right in the middle. Ready? Let's do it 4 times. X, 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 X. Very good. Okay, once you have that, erase them quickly. And you can put your marker aside. You'll need it in just a second. You don't need it right now. You need your lowercase finger tracing card now. All right? Do you see what's similar between these two? They both look the same, don't they? The letters look exactly the same, but what's different? Yes, the lowercase letter is smaller and the uppercase letter is bigger. If you were to write them next to each other, this would be the uppercase and the lowercase one is just smaller. Okay, so we're going to practice our lowercase letter now. Do you remember where we need to begin? Right here at the top, right? We write from top to bottom, left to right. Okay. Trace it with your finger and say the letter name. X. Good. Do it again. This time do it really slow. X. Very good. Okay. Are you ready to write it in the air? Get your finger ready. Write it. X. Good. Okay. This time I want you to write it on your other arm. Ready? X. Awesome job. And this time, I want you to take your finger and write it on the table that you're working at. Ready? X. Are you ready to write it on your whiteboard? Okay, get your marker. Each time you write it, you need to make sure you say the letter name. What letter is it? Yes, it's an X. Okay, so we're going to do it 4 times. Ready? X. 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 Did you get it 4 times? Are your lines slant lines? And do they cross in the middle? Okay, if you got that done, you just need to erase your letters. Erase them quickly. All right, friends, we are done with our letter for today. We just talked about the letter X. I will see you back here tomorrow so that I can read you our book about the letter X. Bye.